Property costs can be broadly classified into builder costs and statutory and legal costs. Let's take a look at builder costs first. Your main expense is the basic cost. This is the actual cost of the property and it normally comes around to 80% of the total amount. The basic cost is paid in parts and most builders will ask you to deposit almost 10 to 20% of this cost at the time of booking. The remaining 20% of the total cost will cover your parking, maintenance, PLC, legal charges and everything else. The parking cost is another important charge you should pay the builder to book your parking spot in the site. Normally, it ranges between 2 to 4 lakhs and varies depending on factors like the size of the parking spot, the locality and the overall project cost. Some builders don't provide parking space for 1 BHK apartments. Another addition is the preferential location charge, PLC, which is generally levied on apartments in prime locations within the community. If you want an apartment with a convenient floor rise, a view of the garden or pool, or in any generally preferred location, this charge will apply. For example, some projects charge up to 25 rupees per square feet for the first floor to almost 550 rupees per square feet for the 25th floor. Did you know that the builder cost covers the fees for your electricity and water connection? These are labeled as BESCOM or BWSSB charges, and you pay the cost to the builder, who then files the requisite paperwork. Expect these charges to be approximately 1.8% to 2% of the total cost. A basic charge that's levied to keep the apartment clean and beautiful is the maintenance cost. Builders charge maintenance fees in different ways, in the form of fixed monthly charges, per square feet rate, partial flat rate, or sometimes even with a mixed approach. The generator cost is added to this as well, and this fee generally comes up to 1% to 3% of the total cost of the property. But wait, that's not all. There are statutory and legal charges that apply when you purchase property as well, and here they are. One cost common to all real estate transactions is stamp duty. This tariff is charged for the legal verification of your documents and it normally ranges between 3% and 12.5%. In Bangalore, for example, stamp duty is charged at 5.6% of the total cost of the transaction. Registration fees often make an appearance in most realty transactions. In Bangalore, the registration fee comes up to 1% of the registered value of the property. Like a wise man once said, two things are certain in life and one of them is taxes. Service tax and value-added tax are applicable on all properties that are under construction, and these are included in the property cost. Service tax is levied at 14% on 25% of the gross value of the property, while VAT is charged at 5.5% on construction-related services.